Every truck has a story, but before it reaches the road, there is a journey that starts with a small step, an inquiry.
Welcome to Sinotruk, your trusted partner in durable, affordable transport solution. We don't just sell trucks, we support your business across logistics. Every customer's journey starts with understanding your operation. Sinotruk, we offer complete range and commercial trucks. For example, HOWO H2 160 horsepower light duty truck, ideal for your delivery and urban transport. H3 medium duty truck, suitable for cargo, construction, water and fuel tank applications. HOWO NX rigid truck, heavy duty cargo operation. HOWO prime movers, long haul trailer transports. Tippers, constructions, mining and earth moving. We also supply specialized vehicles like garbage truck, sewage truck, refrigerated trucks, mixers. We also sell trailers such as flatbeds, skeletons, tippers, and tankers. We also have Shantui constructions equipment or heavy machines, including bulldozers, wheel loaders, excavators, graders, and specialized earth-moving equipments. In all the trucks that we sell, we give them 3 payment options. Number 1, cash purchase. Full payment upfront, quick processing and delivery. Required documents: national ID or passport, KRA PIN, company document if applicable. Number 2, bank finance. In bank finance, you pay the deposit and the bank finances the balance. For individual, the document needed is ID, KRA PIN, 1-year bank statement, 1-year M-Pesa statement, and proof of income. For companies, registration documents needed are CR12, company KRA PIN, director's ID, bank statements or M-Pesa statements, approval and subject to bank credit assessment. Number 3, in-house finance, which is Navi. Flexible financing directly through Navi. You pay the deposit, balance paid in structured installments. Required documents: ID, KRA PIN, bank statements, proof of income, stroke business, company documents if applicable, fast approval process for quicker ownership. We not only give you the truck, we also make sure you have the insurance. Through Sinker Capital Insurance Brokers Limited, we ensure your investment is protected. They help you secure comprehensive insurance, commercial vehicle cover, because protection on the road is essential for business continuity. Not only that, we have free delivery process. Before handover, every truck undergoes full inspection, quality and safety checks. We also assist with registration, logbook processing, insurance setup. Your truck is fully ready for the road. Warranty services and spare parts. Our support continues after purchase, manufacturer warranty included. Professional services and maintenance, genuine spare parts always available, fast support to reduce downtime. We keep your business moving. Your success drives our success. At Sinotruk, always moving, always earning.